stop a camel! Ben! H-E-L-P! Ben, the tour is $80, but the camel ride is $5.
Huh? Lucy, you do not know how to ride a camel.
It is an animal, Ben. You just sit on it. How difficult can it be? Hello. I would like to ride you, please. I have $5. It does not have a ladder. How do people get on this thing? Woohoo!
I knew you could do it.
That was amazing. Oh. Oh no! Stop! Stop! S-T-O-P! You wouldn't.
Oh no!
B-Lamb.
I'm layering you foreheen. My run. I want to go back to the hotel.
See, Ben? It is totally fine. I am in Help! My hands! Help! I'm gonna fall!
Lucy!
Don't let go! Stop! Turn left! Turn right! S-T-O-P! Slower! Slower! S-slower! Where are we? Oh. Okay, then. This is your home. Is it not?
I ran for 40 minutes. In the desert. In this jacket.
He brought me back to the hotel. He is very helpful.
Next time we pay $80 for the tour. Today we learned two things. 1, camels do not take instructions. 2, cheap is not always better.
No.
Subscribe for more English with Lucy. See you next time.